Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make photo and video collage on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I am using very simple method, no need to using third-party apps. So open your phone gallery, to select photo. I am selecting photo and select on video, okay, and click on to create option. Click on to collage and look here. If you want to change frame, and click on to frame size, and customize to change background color. Press on to save. So that's it, that's how you can do it.